Most clients, when they seek our services, they want something that's incredibly easy to use. And that's really the big thing, is it has to be easy to use. We believe that if you can use an iPhone, or you can use an iPad, or you can pick up a simple remote and push one button, you can use our system no matter how complicated or simple your equipment setup is. So in this client's home, down in what he likes to call his man cave, we went ahead and did a Genelec system. Now Genelec actually started out as a professional studio monitor speaker. So if you go into a recording studio, Genelec is one of the brands you will see most prominently. The speaker handles all of its own power and all of its own frequency control. The big advantage to this is we can tune a system to just about any room and make it sound incredible. We specialize in what are called control systems. And what that is basically it's a big computer that sits somewhere in your house, and it talks to all of your equipment. In this particular house, we interfaced with the designer quite a bit because she had a vision of how she wanted each room to look, and she'd worked rather extensively with the client. And one of the things that was a big focus is the husband wanted all the technology and the wife didn't want to see any of it. So all of the speakers in the house, whether they're in ceiling or in wall throughout the house, they're all paint matched and they're all flush installed, so there's almost nothing to see. And in this particular example, we used a rack full of equipment in a hidden room that allowed us to pull all of the wire for everything we needed, put everything all into a big rack, and then basically close the door, and it's a bunch of stuff the client doesn't have to look at, doesn't have to touch. And as far as the client's concerned, it doesn't even exist. They just use an iPhone or a remote and things just turn on and work. So no system is perfect, but a big advantage that we have in being not only a system integrator, but a Crestron integrator is that we have a certified programmer on staff. If we need to go make a service call for some issue, we literally can get in the van with our programmer, drive to the client's house and take care of it. Or in many cases, we have remote support so that either the programmer or myself can remotely use a computer and log into the system, see what's going wrong, and possibly even troubleshoot or fix the system. Having the Crestron programmer on staff has been absolutely essential for our ability to get jobs done in a more timely manner and much more cost effectively, because we don't have to work around multiple companies or people's schedules. We do everything internally.